Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Volvo XC40's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches. The first step is to try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This reboots the system without losing data and often resolves temporary freezes. If that doesn't work, a hard reset, disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes, can resolve deeper problems. Remember to keep your system updated via over-the-air updates, as Volvo has released several to address these issues. These updates often include fixes for kernel instability and Bluetooth pairing problems. Regular updates are the best way to keep things running smoothly. Soft resets are your first line of defense against infotainment issues. They reboot the system without data loss and fix temporary glitches. Hard resets are for more stubborn problems. Disconnect the battery for 5 to 10 minutes to force a full system purge. If issues persist after these resets and software updates, it indicates a deeper problem. This could be a hardware defect, such as a faulty DSP module or a corrupted system file. In such cases, it's time to visit a Volvo service center. They can run diagnostics and provide professional solutions for underlying hardware problems. Also, be aware of current recalls. Your vehicle might be eligible for a free software patch to address known infotainment glitches. Volvo service centers offer free diagnostics.